Hi girl, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vanessa V and I'm here with another video. So today, as you guys can tell from the title of this video, we are going to be doing a get ready with me. So I'm in my glam room and I already know I've been MIA for a while, but hopefully I'm getting things on track if I'm recording this video. There she is, my beautiful room. This is what I'm going to be working with. Let me show you guys my vanity. But this is my vanity in her current state. Yes, girl, I keep toilet paper up here. Like, if I ever make a mistake or I want to blow my nose or anything. Have my Hello Kitty mirror here. Hello Kitty hand sanitizer and lotion. My Barbie mirror. Yeah. This is me today. These little compact mirrors, I do need to unpack them and use them. And then this is a bag for my trash can. I guess I need to declutter it a little bit, but I think we have some working space. That being said, this cute little robe I am wearing is from Juicy Couture, as you can tell. And it's like a velour feeling. I did have to get it because it gave me like Louis Vuitton vibes. See if you guys can see that. Super cute. So yeah, I just had to get it. And I'm gonna see if I can put this up a little bit higher. I feel like it's not a very good angle of me. Like, it's very low. So hopefully this works out. I still have space to get ready, but it's not like... Ooh, maybe I could just use these Barbie compact mirrors for today. Let's see. That's better. You can at least see the top of my head, so it's not quite tall enough, but she's gonna do for today. So... I don't know, girl. What should we talk about? Just life has been lifing. I'm gonna put some of this all-in-one milk by Davines. I've had this for a while. I don't quite remember where I got it, but it's from BoxyCharm, I think. And can I just say, if I can get some out, I love this product. It smells pretty good. I can't put my finger on like what it smells like, but she does not smell bad, and I feel like she really does help my hair. So it's supposed to be like an all-in-one detangler, frizz control. What else does it say? Add shine, add softness and silkiness, excellent detangling power, facilitates combing of dry and wet hair, controls frizz, and there's a conditioner, and the list goes on. I didn't think I was going to talk about that much, but I did. Hello Kitty for the win. I'm trying to get the lighting right too. Like, hello, I need the light, but at the same time, like, I don't know. So what have you guys been up to? Now that I got my beauty room all set up, I'm considering moving. So I may be moving soon. Probably not till after the holidays, or maybe during the break, since my job does allow me to have like a vacation mid-year, or at the end of the year, should I say. So, those of you who keep up with me on Instagram, you guys know that I now have 2 jobs. I'm going to use these yellow dry bar clips to keep my hair out of my face as it starts drying. And I'm going to take this moisturizer. Unfortunately, due to the publicity of my second job, I'm not going to be sharing where I am working. But just know that your girl has a second job. And I got a second job because, first of all, Have you seen this room? It's expensive. I like shopping. I've been redoing this room. And I continue to find things that I love. Not only that, but honestly, just bills, credit cards, debt, vet bills. Like, I just needed more money. So, I'm going to earn more money. So I put that on my face. I want to do my brows, but sometimes they get wonky when I use that, so I'm going to let that set in for a while. And we're going to go straight into doing my blush. I did switch my makeup bag into this cute iridescent Juicy Couture makeup bag. I'm going to be using my Physicians Formula bronzer. You guys know I love this. In fact, she's on her way out. I'm going to be using the Natasha Glow Gold for my highlighter. Yes, I still like me my highlighter. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush in the shade Dusty Rose. Those of you who have yet to try the e.l.f. Camo blushes, I actually really like them, and I have 3 of them. Maybe I'll wear some gloss. Maybe not this one. I'm gonna wear this lip oil by Beauty Creations. I got this 3-pack at TJ Maxx. Actually, I'll just show you. For $10, I think. And I love their lip oil, so I thought to myself, why not? And this one says, My Fave Topper is the name. But I love lip oils. Been loving them. They're so moisturizing. The other day I wore like a liquid lip and I thought to myself, like, girl, why were we all torturing ourselves with liquid lips a few years ago? Do not know. Then I'm going to be using the Essence Waterproof Princess Mascara. Maybe do a little shimmer. I don't know. Should I do my everyday look? I might do my everyday look because I also have a Target haul I want to show you guys. So, yeah. And then I use the Buchona Cosmetics Eyebrow Gel. And this one I'm almost out of as well. From my understanding, it's only sold online. So your girl will be placing an order very, very soon. So typically I either start with my blush or my eyebrows, but because I just put on that not foundation, that moisturizer, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my blush. How many of you guys have one of these mirrors? How many of you are addicted to buying them? Because I have this one and the Barbie one, and I've seen the new Hello Kitty and My Melody Kuromi ones, and I want more. Like, really don't need them. I feel like this gave a pinky look to my lips. I don't know. I threw away the packaging, but I'm pretty sure these lip oils were not color changing. So, like I said, I'm thinking about moving. I'm probably going to move. This year in the fall, I got a new job, and it's north of where I stay now. And girl, the struggle be real to get there on time because it's further and I have to go downtown, so the struggle. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my eyebrow gel. Now, I use a spoolie. This, first of all, was pink glittery and is very nasty. Don't come for me, but I bought a packet of these. It came with the black one, but I had to look for a spoolie that's nice and sturdy and will last, because I kind of like just like put this in my brows to put them in place. And I gotta press hard and apply pressure so that it will comb the brow hair and keep it there. It's feeling pretty good despite having put like moisturizer. That's how crazy it looks. And then I'm gonna just kind of comb them on top and on the side to get the desired look I want. And that's the combed brow. So I'm wanting to move closer to my other job so it's less of like a stress to get there on time because I'll be on that side of town. But low-key, I don't like North Austin. Those of you who don't know, I stay in Austin. So I'm thinking about moving like maybe Central because I don't like North. But who knows, my ass still might stay south. I like the old Austin-y vibe. Then I'm going to do the same to this brow, comb it into place. And there you go. One always comes out better than the other, but they're sisters enough. Check. And then, what do I do next? I think it just alternates between bronzer and highlighter. So I use this Real Techniques contour brush for my bronzer. And I still am old school. If there's new techniques, girl, I don't know. But I like the look of the three, so I go right underneath my blush, around tracing my jawline. And it works for me. And I'm a powdery girl, even though a lot of people are into the cream. I just feel like the powder is easier on my skin. I break out when I have too many cream products. Maybe I just don't have a good facial cleansing routine. But I feel like the powders settle in my skin whenever I use a setting spray. And then I also contour the sides of my nose. Not that you guys needed a whole ass tutorial. Super cute. I might make these two separate videos. This is like the day I'm off though. So I'm going to finish my makeup and stuff, and depending on the length of the video, I'm probably gonna go ahead and do just like a Target haul separate. But if that's the case, girl, I know you're gonna go click on that video too, so I'm just gonna see you in a minute. I've been off of my YouTube game. I finally got a computer. I think I have a software that's going to work, so I should be able to start posting more content. I do have a second job though, but I'm hopeful because I now have vacation coming up. So I'm hoping that your girl can stick with it. So I'm going to go in with the Natasha Glow Gold. If you've never seen this, this is what it looks on the inside. So, so stunning. I don't even know the camera's doing it justice. But I'm going to use an old Morphe and Bretman fan brush for my highlighter. If you have that palette, I still have it, girl, and it's gorgeous. So, never was really a Bretman fan, but definitely was a fan of the palette. Nothing against him, I just you know, algorithm wasn't algorithming, and I never really saw any of his content, but I did see his collab with Morphe. Check. I think, let me see if I have a little pinky one like this, because I think I'd rather prefer that. Okay, I don't think I have a pink one. I got purple, copper, something else, copper, something else. I'm like a packaging whore. I don't know why. I'm gonna use the darker purple. I don't know why I love putting things back in their package. They'd probably take up less room if I didn't, but I feel like before I move I need to declutter a lot of stuff. So this is in the shade Ripple, if you're curious. How cute is she? I hope you guys can see it, but she's cute. See? Toilet paper right there. And my ass is gonna put her back in her box. And then we're gonna go in with our mascara, which is the Princess, the waterproof version. Without. My dogs are barking outside. Girls! Sometimes they listen. I kind of want to go to the mall, but I know that is going to result in me spending more money. But I want to get some Shop Miss A eyelash glue. Okay. I forgot my eyelash glue in my purse. I'm gonna go grab it. Okay. Got my eyelash glue. Right now, the pair of lashes that I'm wearing, or going to be wearing, are a pair from Iomi. I like their dramatic ones. So here we go. And I'm using my Shop Miss A eyelash glue, which if you never tried is actually pretty good. It's not bad. I still like the green duo one better, but for like everyday use where I'm not going to be crying a lot or my eyes aren't going to be watering a lot, then I'll use the Shop Miss A, and it does the job pretty darn well. Because I'm reusing lashes, I like to pull off the lash glue. Some people might actually clean the lashes or remove it with actual like makeup remover or something. I just kind of tug on it and pull it off, which most of the time works, but sometimes we have casualties. But I have a drawer full of lashes, so if I have a casualty, I'll just have to get over it. Alright, so I just leave those to dry just a little bit. And I think I'm going to start filming my Target haul, and then, or get my things ready, and then I'm going to put my lashes on, say goodbye to you all, and then I'll say hello to you all once I start my haul.